What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Revline89 here. So today we are going to be taking off the battery. So the battery is 100% dead. So today we're going to take it out. Because of the winter cold crank and the amps on this battery is only 560, I believe, 590. And it's a very old battery. So we're going to go ahead and take it out, because we're going to be getting a much better high performance battery to go for this. The battery says made in Mexico. So the date is 11/2013. So 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019. So we're, since it's 11, we are like five plus years on it. So that's fairly long, I think, for a cheap battery. So it served its purpose. Oh, it's like some sticky stuff that is taped on here with corrosion. I'm going to bring the camera over to show you guys why I have this cover here, just to protect my body when I'm leaning against the car. Oh my word. Well, first of all, I don't know if you can see the battery, but there's like green gooey stuff all around it, and it's all corroded. There's even rust at the bottom of it. So that's the positive. It's a little nasty looking. Here is the negative. Alright, so I went through and I cleaned it up pretty good. I'll show you guys. Now you can actually see. Alright, so now I'm going to take sandpaper in between there, and same with the other one, and scrape them up pretty good. I can't believe, I can't believe this battery even, made a good connection. As I mean, look, can you guys see all that? You see that brown underneath there? That's all rust. So, all right, stay tuned. All right, so I got them scraped up a bit, looking a whole lot better now. But man, were they bad. Still are a little bit, but it's good enough for now. So time to get this battery out of here. So pulled this off the battery. Yeah. Let's see if we can get it to focus. And she's gone. So now I need to get a new battery.